Hi, so I'm excited. I've had the Behringer JT4000 micro for a while, and as you may have seen in another video, I've had endless hours of amusement with it. Anderton's in the UK had a sale, and after much fun with the JT4000, I decided I would give the Behringer PHARA-O-Mini a go. So here it is. Let's see what's inside this box. Nice. Okay, so it is just the synth. Nothing else, no cables. We have a manual, probably in Chinese. Yeah, okay. So, let me unpackage this and I'll get back to you. Well, here it is. It looks good. I haven't connected it up yet. Everything seems nice. Nice movement on the controls. Seems sturdy enough. Again, it is a plastic thing, but it feels good enough. So, let me hook this up and we can listen to some fat synth sounds. Alrighty, here it is, plugged up, ready to rock. I've had a coffee and a jam. First impressions are good, getting better. Really enjoying this mini synth. Bear in mind, I'm a guitar player by trade, so not a synth guru. Let's have a quick listen to some of these fat PHARA-O synth sounds. Let's have a little listen, see what we have. Right, so no delay. So with the VCF cut off, we can get real extreme here. We can get the growl. Oh, that's nasty. Nasty. And then we can get like okay, so let's go a little bit more subtle. Alright, so here we are. I've got a little sequence in and I'm just going to play it. Okay, nice and simple, but watch what happens as we tweak these knobs. Give it less extreme resonance. Nice. My acid bass 303 type job. The other way. Okay, let's get rid of that. bit annoying after a while. Okay, so let's make it a little nice and short here. And let's get this delay. Okay, so now with the delay, once you go past about here, 12 o'clock, you'll find that the dry disappears completely. We go 100% wet and it seems to just get quieter because we're just hearing the wet sound. So, and then if we press this function tempo delay, we have free delay. And if we go function tempo delay, then it's in time. And as we go through, we're getting different divisions for the repeats. That's kind of nice. Okay. Okay, so let's lengthen this a little bit. We're bring in some sustain here. Okay, let's take this off for the moment, and I'll take this all off for the moment too. I love how everything seems to be quite interactive, where you change one thing and it starts to open up everything else. Let's go back to this nasty sound again. Let's bring this LFO in a little bit here. So currently it's on saw, let's go triangle. Bring in some detune. Could you ever want any more low end than that? It's just sub. Well, there you have it. Straight out of the box. Amazing. So, I like these synths. I'm bored of mouse clicking on the computer using VST synths, and with these you can just plug in headphone charger, headphones, and just play and create. Maybe these are my new gas addiction, you know? The quest for more gear. Well, thanks for watching.